Hey everyone, and welcome to the Randy Marion Automotive Group. Today we're going to take you on a tour of this fully electric ELMS urban delivery vehicle. Now this particular model right here is not meant for street use. There is another urban delivery model meant for the street use. So this one is perfect for college campuses, going around the airport, using it at your business so you don't have to have gas vehicles. This makes it very convenient to go from point A to point B. So this particular model right here weighs in right around 3,400 pounds. It has a payload capacity of 2,100 pounds, so you can definitely put a lot of items in the back, which we'll get to here soon. It has a range of 125 miles on a full charge, and going over some of the specs now, it has a wheelbase of 120 inches. Its overall length is 177 inches. It has a width of 64 and a height of 75 inches. Its overall cargo volume is also 171 cubic feet, and it also has a top speed of 25 miles an hour. Another interesting fact with this model being fully electric is that it has a 60% maintenance cost reduction versus it being gasoline. So especially not being able to go out on the road makes it very convenient. So you can charge this at your business, at your location that you're using it, and you don't have to worry about filling it up, which is great to see. So now we're gonna start on the cargo area here. You can see we have slider doors on the driver's side and the passenger side, making it easy to enter and exit from the side. And of course we have the large liftgate in the back. You can also see that the floor of this is lined in a very nice durable material, so you can slide in any items and pull them back out. You'll notice too that we have the charging cable here, which goes on the passenger side. We'll show that here soon. And there's also several tie-down hooks in all of the corners here, so you can safely secure any of the cargo that you have in the back. This is a pretty lightweight liftgate too, so it's very easy to close. As we work our way to the passenger side, of course we have that same door here, so you could even pass through items if you needed to, depending on the maneuverability and the parking lot situation you were in. And then as I mentioned earlier, on the passenger side, this is how you can charge the vehicle, so it's in a really nice spot. As we work our way to the front seats now, you'll see on the passenger side here, we do have some storage space in the door panel there. You can put any documents or whatever you may have. And then underneath both of the seats, we have all the electrical components, so you can easily unlatch these and then fold the seat back. So if you need to work on anything, you can see that on both sides, making it very convenient. Now that we're in the driver's seat for this ELMS urban delivery, let's go ahead and turn it on. So we have the key fob right there. I just turn it to the accessory mode basically, and when it says ready on the gauge cluster there, that means it's on and ready to go. As far as the creature comforts that you get in this, we do have a functional AC unit. There's a radio as well. We have a 12 volt. You have another charging cable right in the center, perfect for any electronics you may have. This also has a cargo light, so just by turning that on, you can see that light up the rear area there, which is perfect, of course, so you can see. And then we have the rotary dial for your gear selection. So with my foot on the brake, you can just go to drive or reverse. There's also an E button as well. And then putting it back into neutral, pulling on the e-brake is how you put it into park basically. We also have the headlights, of course, with the wiper blades. You have your sun visors up top. And we do have the traditional glove box, so you can put in a little bit more items there, as well as having a cup holder right in the middle and a little bit of more storage down below. So now it's time to take a quick spin in this urban delivery. Of course, we are out in the parking lot here. So one of the main benefits to having this vehicle being fully electric is the fact that you can drive this around college campuses. You can take it on the airport. You don't have to have a loud, noisy vehicle that you are driving. So especially around like a college campus, it would be perfect for taking this on some of these smaller roads that are on campuses. But as we have it in drive now, we can give it a little bit of throttle here. It's a very maneuverable vehicle as well. So we're gonna take a right turn here, and it drives basically just like a go-kart. It's all electric, of course, and we can come around this turn here. So it's definitely very beneficial for businesses, airports, things that we've already mentioned in today's review. You can haul your cargo from point A to point B, and you don't have to fill this up, which is great. You can plug it in for the night before you leave, especially not being able to take this out on the roads is definitely very beneficial. And as we take another quick U-turn here, right around the parking lot, we'll give it a little bit of gas. And it's topping out right above 20 miles an hour there. That's full throttle. And as far as the visibility goes, while the back half is pretty much closed off, we do have the side mirrors there. It's a pretty small vehicle, so it is easy to maneuver, especially in the parking lot situations that you will be driving this in. It's a fun vehicle to drive, and I can see the added benefit of it not being fuel or not having fuel in it, so that way you can easily plug it in. But it's nice that we have all these creature comforts here. So if you're using this on a campus, you know, it's during the summertime, you have all the AC, you have some music if you need to listen to that. And it drives basically just like a golf cart. So if you've been in a golf cart before, it's pretty much the same thing, just enclosed and a little bit bigger. It makes it very easy to get in and get out. You don't have to start up a loud engine vehicle. Being the electric vehicle that it is very quiet. You can hear a hum to it. Of course, that's the noise from the batteries and all of that. But it is a fun vehicle to drive. You could definitely haul any cargo that you have. With just over 2,000 pounds of cargo ability, you can basically move anything for your business, and it makes it very convenient. But I think that's gonna wrap it up for taking a look at this ELMS urban delivery vehicle. If you have any other questions on this, we'll have all of our contact information down in the description below.